Today I am going to discuss about one of the master stroke, that is real number line, or simply it is called number line also. Generally people used to tell it is number line. I used to tell sometimes real number line because this is one of the litmus test of any number. It is real or non-real. It is real or non-real. If it is non-real means it will be imaginary. If it is real, then it will be represented on the real number line. If any number can be represented on the real number line, it is called real number. Then today we are going to discuss one of the very important master stroke, and this is called real number line. This is a part of your numbers, or you can say this is very fundamental concept that is going to help your quant and DI both, or you can say it is just a common sense. It is just a common sense you will able to develop and you will able to apply during solving of variety of questions like puzzle questions, LR questions, or any of the common mathematical questions where you are not able to think anything. You may think about the real number line or about the number line, and based on the concept of basic real number line, you will able to understand the problem and you will able to analyze the problem, and at least you will able to proceed how it can be solved. Then this is one of the very important master stroke, real number line. Real number line, what is there? This is simple. It is a number. If number can be represented on real number line, it is called real number. I told this is litmus test of real number. If any real number can be two types, either rational or irrational. Both of the numbers will be represented on the real number line, R and L. If any of the numbers are not able to represent, or you are not able to put on the real number line, then you cannot say it is a real number. It will be non-real number, or non-real number means it is imaginary number. Imaginary number again two types, pure imaginary and imaginary part mixed with real part. Then real number line, you can say it is a full broad picture. It will go from minus infinity to plus infinity on the number line, or you can say x-axis, because number we are discussing that is linear or only one axis, single axis we are taking, only x-axis. If here it is 0, this side plus infinity means which side? Right hand side. Just try to differentiate. Right hand side is plus infinity. That will be helpful. Once you will do the mathematical operation on the real number line. And left side is minus infinity. Now we'll try to understand this fundamental principle of counting. That also will use these two fundamental mathematical operations, or you can say these two are basic mathematical operations: addition and multiplication. Subtraction is a part of addition and division is again extension of multiplication, but these two are basic mathematical operation. Then these all four type of mathematical operation, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, will try to understand on number line, how to do on number line, and that will give you the enough confidence. Any kind of algebraic series questions or modulus function or maybe a square function or maybe cube function question, if you are not getting any idea, you will be able to solve based on the real number line. Means this is your one of the best friend during your CAT preparation. If you are not getting any idea, you just take number line, you will be able to get some idea. I'm 100% sure. Number question, algebra question, or even geometry question also, if you are able to do something, if you are able to understand number line in very depth, actually concept is very basic. That basic concept, if you are able to understand in multiple way, you will be able to use for variety of questions. Not only for quant, even for LR also you can use. Anywhere you can say, wherever common sense you can use, there number line will be helpful. Means it is your permanent, constant and best friend. Then how to do mathematical operation on real number line, that today we'll try to understand. Addition and subtraction, you can say if you are taking two numbers x and y, if it is changing the mathematical sign of x and y, then based on the changing of mathematical sign, it will become addition or subtraction. Like plus x and plus y, if both are having plus sign, then it will be addition. If x is plus, y is minus, then it will become subtraction. And if x is minus and y is plus, then you can say it is again subtraction. And again both are negative, means four possibilities are there. If x and y, two numbers you are taking, we are taking here integers. Now we are discussing only about the integers. Then x and y, by default you can say it is a integers. If x and y you have taken integers, then to do the addition and subtraction, four possibilities are there: plus x plus y, plus x minus y, this is second possibility, minus x plus y and minus x minus y. If just suppose for getting the very clear picture or understanding this technique, how to use the number line, just we'll take x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. If we are changing the sign, automatically 2 will become minus 2 or 3 will become minus 3 if we are changing. Then here first case it will be plus x and plus y, it will become 2 plus 3 plus 5. Second case it will be minus 1, it will be plus 1 and it will be minus 5. Now only issue, if I will ask why it is happening, then you will tell you don't ask why, because from since childhood I am just keep on memorizing and keep on understanding. After addition 2 plus 3 it will become 5. Nobody has told why it is happening. And never I also thought why it is happening. I only just memorized it is addition process, and after addition 2 and 3 it will become 5. But you should try to think why it is happening. Why it is happening means third level of inquiry. What, how and why. This is third level of inquiry. And during preparation or during any time of your life, if you are able to do, or if you are practiced to do third level of inquiry, automatically you will get some idea of the solution. Maybe the practical problem of your life, or maybe career, or maybe during preparation or CAT problem, anything. Problem is a problem. But if you are able to go to the third level of inquiry, why it is happening, then you will able to get some part of solution. You will get some idea of solution. Then here also just will try to think why it is happening. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5. Nobody will think. Generally 2 plus 3 is 5. It is universal law. 2 into 3 it will be 6 only. We cannot change. But why it is happening? Nobody will think. Then just will try to think little more fundamental way why it is happening. 2 plus 3 5. 2 minus 3 it is minus 1 and minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 and minus 2 minus 3 it will become minus 5. But in place of here minus 2 and minus 3, if we are doing minus 2 multiplication of minus 3, it will become plus 6. Plus 6 multiplication of 2 negative number will become positive. How it is happening? You cannot give the answer based on your memorized theorem or memorized formulas. You will not able to give. Once you will understand how it is happening on real number line, these operations, then only you will able to understand minus 2 into minus 3 will become positive. Means 2 negative number, once you will multiply, it will become positive. Just will try to understand. In next 2 to 3 minutes, you just put little more concentration, then it will be very, very helpful during your entire CAT preparation. It is going to affect your full CAT preparation. Then here, just will take here this white color, whatever I made the round, here it is shown by the white arrow. And whatever yellow round I made, that will shown by the yellow arrow. Correct? What we have to do? First number, what is the mathematical sign? First number here, 2. What is 2 here? Mathematical sign is plus 2. Mathematical sign by default it is plus 2. Then what it is showing? If it is plus, it will be in right direction. Means right hand direction. Rightward, toward plus infinity. Now you take the second number. Second number, once you are taking. If you are taking right hand direction, you will reach here. You will reach here. Second number again, positive. Means again right hand direction. Again you have to take 1, 2, 3. How much you will get? It will be plus 5. You will get plus 5. Now it will be little more interesting once you will come to the next case. Like 2 minus 3. Now once you reached here, 2, you reached after 0, you reached here plus 2. Plus 2 is over. This is over. Now minus 3. For minus 3, second number mathematical sign, what will give? That will give you movement should be forward or backward. Or you can say first number mathematical sign will give your direction of movement should be right or left. Second number sign mathematical sign will give your movement should be forward or backward. Like you should move like this or you should move like this. But first number mathematical sign will decide you should look this side or you should look this side. Then this is your real number line operation. And once you understood, it will be very, very helpful because many of the concept will be depends on this. Then second number, once you reach here, after that it is minus 3. Minus 3 means you have to move backward direction. Then minus, you will go 3 step from here. 1, you will go 3 step from plus 2. 1, 2, 3. You will reach at minus 1. You will reach at minus 1. Same way if you will take like minus x and minus x plus y, x is minus 2. X is minus 2 means you have to take left side. First number sign will give you either you should move right hand side means plus infinity, or if it is minus you have to move left hand side minus infinity. Then here it is minus 2. That will show you have to move leftward from origin means minus infinity. Then we have reached here minus 2. Now next number is plus 3 means what you have to do? You have to turn, you have to move again this direction means it will become 3 step you will take you will reach here plus 1. Now it will be little more interesting if you will take both negative. If you are taking both negative, then first after minus 2 you reached here, you already reached here. After this again you have to take minus 3 means this same direction you have to continue again 3 step you will reach here. This is minus 5. I think this is very fundamental, but many times we will get little confusion. Why we are getting? Because we don't know how this number is like just you can imagine it is a living thing as a person. If 2 is there, 3 is there, it is like a person, it is living thing. It can move right, left and direction they can change backward, forward. Only 4 possibilities there. And that 4 possibility will become more clear once you are doing the multiplication. If you are doing the multiplication, you will get more clarity. Like x, first number will give you the direction of I. Which side you should look? You have to look right hand side or you have to look left hand side. If it is a positive, you have to look right hand side. Means you should be like like this. If it is negative, you should be like this. Okay. Now, why second number? Second number will give you the direction of movement of leg, means which direction you should move. Your legs should go forward or your legs should go backward. Like once you have seen first number is +2, means you have seen right hand direction. Afterwards, second number is -3, then you have to move backward, not forward. Okay. This is a simple thing. We will do just 4 possibility again, and based on the number line, you will able to understand. Y will give you the direction of movement of leg, or you can say direction of walking. Direction of walking, if it is a positive, second number mathematical sign is positive, then you have to move forward. Means which direction your eye is there, same direction your body should move. You should walk. If it is negative, then you have to direction you should keep same, but you have to move backward. This is backward movement. You are seeing right hand side, but you are moving left hand side. Then this is the implication of mathematical sign of first number and second number. Just we'll take all 4 cases. It will become more clear because clarity will come once we will take the example. Same thing we are taking x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 just for similarity, and to understanding it will become easy because you already have seen the addition and subtraction based on the same number, and based on the same number once you will see the multiplication you will feel little more easy. Then here 4 possibilities there: plus x into plus y, minus x into plus y, plus x into minus y, and minus x into minus y. If plus 2 multiplied by plus 3 it will become plus 6, minus 2 multiplied by plus 3 it will minus 6, and this will become plus 6. How it is happening? Just will look. Plus 2, here sign is positive, means you have to go right hand direction. Sure. Second number, again sign is positive, means you have to move forward. What you have to do? Like this. First you have taken this direction based on plus 2, based on the plus 2. Second number again, it is positive, means you have to move in same direction. You are standing like this. Now only thing, second number sign will decide you have to move like this or you have to move like this. This from first number sign, it is confirmed you have to look right hand side, plus infinity side. Second number sign will show you have to go this direction or this direction. Your body direction or eye direction will not change, only direction of movement will change. Second number, if it is positive, go forward. If second number is negative, go backward. Very simple. Now, if first number is negative, then you have to look like this, toward minus infinity, toward minus infinity. Now, if second number is positive, then you have to move like forward. Don't think positive means we will go toward plus infinity. No, your body direction, in which direction? Just go forward. If it is second number negative, go backward. That much only. This 4 possibility. You are most of the people are engineer. 4 variable easily you can handle. 4 variable easily you can handle. What is only eye direction and movement direction? 2 plus 2, only 4 variables. Then here, this will give you are going this direction, correct? Right hand. Second number again it is positive, means you have to move in same direction. Then how you will move? You have to take count of 2 of 3 step. That is meaning of multiplication. If you are writing 2 into 3, what we are doing? 2 3 times. 2 into 3 meaning is 2 3 times. That is only meaning. That is only meaning. 2 you have to take 3 times. Same way from here you have to take 2, means 2 whatever quantity is there from 0 to 2, this quantity you have to take 3 times, means 3 steps. 2 you have to take 3 steps. Where you will reach? From 0 to 2, this is your first step. Again 2 to 4 it will become your second step, and 4 to 6 it will become your third step. After third step you will reach at plus 6. Interesting. Now just we'll change the mathematical sign of x and y, then we'll look how it is changing. Now just we'll see. Now your first number is -2. Then simply -2 means this direction. We have done here. -2 means this direction. We have taken. Now second number is positive, means this direction. We have to move forward. You have to move forward. Again 3 steps of 2 each. 3 steps of 2 each. From here you will go, it will become first step, here second step, here third step. After reaching to third step, actually you are at -6. This is your first step, second step, third step. Each step quantity, or you can say magnitude, should be 2. That is meaning of multiplication. 3 steps of 2 each. Now just we'll see next case. If it is x is positive and y is negative, again it will be -6, but movement on the RNL will change. If x is positive, then it will be this one. You have to look this direction. Now y is negative, means same direction will be there. Your eye direction will not change, but your movement will be backward because second number is negative. Then second side you have to move backward, and backward you have to move 3 steps of 2 each. 3 steps of 2 each means this will become your first step, this will become your second step, and this will become your third step. Actually after third step you will reach at minus 6. Due to minus 2 into 3 is also 6 and plus 2 into minus 3 also 6. But next is very interesting. This I am just explaining very fundamental thing. Just I am triggering your asking the questions, or I am just triggering very fundamental inquiry. You should think why it is happening. All of you are graduate student. 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, everybody knows. But nobody has understand, nobody asked why it is happening. Because you are thinking this is not necessary. But it is necessary in your life. It is necessary for your CAT preparation. You should ask the question. You should go for third level of inquiry. That always I used to tell in RC also, for reading practice also. Always you should ask. Always you should ask from yourself. That only will develop the self-learning capacity. And that is one of my principal goal during my session. I want to make you self-learner. If you are not becoming self-learner, then whatever effort I am putting, I will not feel fully satisfied. I will not feel fully satisfied. I will feel satisfied only when you are becoming a self-learner. Try to learn from yourself. How it will be possible? You have to ask question from yourself. You have to ask question from yourself. Otherwise, from your teachers or who are giving the guidance to you. You have to ask. You should ask any nonsense question also. Question should be there. Then here, just we'll look next level, next set of numbers, minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3, what will happen? Just we'll see here. Minus 2 means you have to look this direction and it is represented here like this. Okay. Now, second number also minus 3 means direction will be same, but you have to move backward. You have to move backward. Once you are moving the backward, it will become 3 step of 2 each. This will become your first step, this will become your second step, and this will become your third step. Due to it, you are reaching at plus 6. And that is reason behind minus 2 into minus 3 is becoming plus 6. Minus 2 into minus 3, it is becoming plus 6. Multiplication of two negative number will become positive. Representation of irrational number or real number 9, that also you should learn. I will take one of the master stroke related to that. Now, what is the application to learn this real number line? Just I will tell you few applications, because applications are huge. I cannot summarize within few minutes. Just I am telling you few points. First thing is representation on real number, representation of real number, mathematical operation on real number line. This is one of the important part. Why it is happening minus 2 into minus 3? Are able to understand. Now, multiplication of two negative number. Earlier, if anybody will ask multiplication of two negative number, why it is positive, then you will become totally blank. Your brain will not work. You will think, why it is happening here? Negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, again positive into negative, again negative, positive into positive, positive, but negative into negative, why it is positive? Why it is positive? But now you will be able to give very solid answer. Why it is happening minus 2 into minus 3, it is plus 6. Means negative multiplication into negative, it will be positive. Various algebraic equations or operations can be easily solved based on the real number line. Roots of a polynomial you will able to find if you are very good in real number line, and this is one of the, you can say, essential understanding during your algebra preparation. And most important, it is your reserve weapon for any kind of algebraic numbers, arithmetic problems, any kind of problem. If you are not able to understand head and tail, you just apply real number line, you try to figure out, you will get some idea. I'm 100% sure you will get some idea. Then you can say this real number line, it is one of the most important master stroke for your CAT preparation. Just try to understand fully and try to use as much as possible. It is helpful during your entire CAT preparation.